stage area, we are going to play a mini game. Alright, so the winner of the mini game will be getting a mystery gift plus a free ride that can apply for any of the stations right here. Okay, so the game that we're gonna play is called Who Can Build the Highest Tower? Anyone want to make a guess what we're gonna build a tower with? Okay, just shout to me. What are we gonna build the tower with? Lego! But we don't have Lego here. Something. One more time. Make a guess. What are we gonna build with? You see mommy's tapping. Bean bag! Yes, okay. We're gonna build the tower with the bean bags, okay? So, I will need 2 teams. Okay? So who wants to volunteer? Alright, you guys from the same team, right? Are you guys from the same family? Yes, okay. You guys can be team 1, team A. Alright, I will need another team. Anybody else? Okay. Teams, okay, come. Come forward to the stage area. Oh, you guys are all from the same family? No? Okay, so you guys are from the same family, is it? Okay, now we have 4 teams. So we will prep 2 mystery gifts and 2 gifts from me. Okay, from my side. Okay, here. Alright, team C. Okay, lastly, team D. Let me make a quick introduction. Okay, what's your name? Timothy. Okay, and your brother? Gabriel. Okay, Timothy, Gabriel, team A. Alright, and what's your name? Get a bit back from the people, seek for their help. Okay, in 60 seconds, we have the teams filled already. We prepare for the next game, okay? Alright, so we have team A, B, C, D. Okay, everybody come back to the stage area first. When the time starts, then we go, okay? Let me take out, my teams are full now. Alright, okay? Sounds good? Okay, Ken. So team A, B, C, and D. Okay, build a tower in front of the stage in 60 seconds. One more time, reminder, the tallest, okay? So the highest tower will win. Okay, after 60 seconds, you must let go of your hands and the tower must stand for 5 seconds without falling. Okay, ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, and the time starts now. Go. Okay, one tip to you guys is you can use the stage, okay, as the advantage to build the tower. Okay, so once again, the key word is the tallest. Okay, so now we have 20 seconds in. Okay, 20 seconds in. The tower needs to start from the floor. It needs to start from the floor. Okay, but you can use the height to build the tower. Okay, we have 30 more seconds to go. Okay, the tower have to start from the floor. Okay, have to start from the floor. You can use the stage. You can stand on the stage, but the tower cannot start from the stage. Okay, has to start from the floor. Okay, we have 15 more seconds. Okay, 15 more seconds. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, have to let go of the tower without falling. Okay, oh no. Okay, have to let go. Okay, everybody, hands off the tower. Okay, hands off the tower. Hands up, and we see who has the highest one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, visually, I think Team C has the highest tower. Congratulations! But everybody, you guys did a wonderful job. So everybody gets something from me. All right. So before that, do me a favor. Let's bring the beanbags back to where they are. Okay. Oh, get something from me. Let me help you. All right. Okay. On the left side, okay? Stage left. Right, so now it's 1:07. If you guys have still not had your lunch, reminder, 0G Bistro is open on my right hand side. They serve all kinds of different food and drinks. You guys can get your stomach filled there, and I'll be coming back here at 1:30. I'll be giving away 2 more free rides, okay? By just answering very simple questions from me. Alright, so now you guys can just chill, relax, have fun. You come right here at 1:30. See you guys in a bit.